And the mood is boisterous. It is a perfect ambience for the central characters who are ready now to perform. We have already started here. Well, the run has been sold a little bit short there.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
And that interception was most necessary. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. That has ended up in no man's land. And he's on his way! Pass is just off target.
Really has the confidence and skill to be able to hold the ball up like that until support arrives a little sooner, and just maybe there.
Decent hit! And he's in on goal! Well, the defence just about came out on top, but they were certainly tested. Face to face with the keeper. There's some great running on show here, but ultimately there was no way through. Oh, a delicate chip through. Not the most accurate pass. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Nicely weighted ball. Oh, that's a very... There's the shot! He's delivered all right! It is a good finish. The odds were against him. Little matter.
Yeah, he won the jostle, and it was a very good finish, and I think he'll go away feeling pretty good about that one.
Club America take the lead, 1-0.
Well, that gives them the privilege to control the tempo.
And the shot! And kept out by the most... Club America with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually. Up to meet it! It's there! A wonderful delivery, and all it needed was a touch.
Yeah, he makes those runs with great stealth and a ghost-like arrival to get his head to the ball.
So that's 2 now without reply.
Well, their manager seems to have them always thinking about the next goal. When's the next goal coming? They're such an entertaining watch.
Tijuana looking to pass their way through. That's great defensive work. It doesn't take too much imagination to guess what would have happened otherwise.
Well, I appreciate the fact he's trying to make a difference, and if he carries on like that, he may well do.
And the first half is done.
Gates. I'm sure they will make fine souvenirs.
That gets things going for the second half.
Look, before they might get too carried away with thoughts of getting back into the game, they can't afford to slip up and concede another. The next goal becomes crucial. They want to be quick here. It's breakaway time.
And here's the chance to counter. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Yeah, they showed a vulnerability until the move was stifled. That'll have stirred a little concern.
The ball is loose and the chase is on. Oh, well played. He's picked his way through.
Look, they've had their chance to regroup and rethink. Now
he's one-on-one! And he's surging through. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Well-timed, excellent interception. Well, they could break here. Oh, that's a key interception. And that has put paid to that. There really wasn't very much in that, not far away from being a telling final ball.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Now this could be a chance.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Oh, he's done very well to take that back. Passing is crisp and sharp. Well, he was clearly disappointed with that pass.
Tijuana clearly didn't help themselves by telegraphing that one. It was always going to be intercepted.
Oh, good read. Now, who's going to be first to this?
Tijuana really have been second best here. Second to every ball and...
Just the goalkeeper to beat. Now the finish! And in! It is surely done!
Minutes is
That was a given. It always was.
Substitutions
Oh,
taking
look,
place.
he moves and manufactures in unique fashion. This guy is sheer class.
And there was his third, and boy, he looks the business, doesn't he just?
And the frightening thing is, Peter, this isn't even a surprise.
There will
He
be one
thrives
minute
in
at a
these
time.
situations.
And that's it. Tijuana